Well, hi everyone. My name is Rifan Dalwan, and I'm going to present my paper, which titled Developing Customer Value to Perform an Effective Digital Marketing Strategy for Digital Product. So, all right, these are the content of my presentation, and my presentation itself will last approximately for 10 minutes. But before we move to the first chapter, let me introduce you to ISIC. So, ISIC is a company that involved in human resource development industry, specifically delivering the value proposition of providing a responsive, complete, and integrated internship platform to develop the professional work ability and experience of university students, also fresh graduate at startup companies. ISIC aims to synergize the needs of current industry with young talent competence in order to ensure low employment rates and adds major contribution to support digitalization of industries, especially startup in Indonesia. According to MICT Journal, ISIC technology readiness level has reached the sixth level where prototype has been tested on the relevant environment. So, let's move to the chapter 1, the research background. The growth of startup industry these days bring a new norm in the industry with a fast-paced, complex, and hyper-connected, also interdependent. Many startups raise, especially during the pandemic situation. But in fact, not all the startups successfully develop and grow. Many startups failed in the middle of the growing process. But what makes startup fail? So, according to the First Sight Guide in 2022, the main reason why startups fail is they have no real market need. Many startups fail to create and bring the right value for their market. As the result, customer doesn't feel the urgency to use or even buy the product offered by the startup. So, since most startups have a digital product, some of them just promote and sell their product also through digital channel without knowing the fundamentals. Therefore, instead of gumming up the marketing campaign, startup and marketer needs to assess the exact value their customer wants and what kind of value they must bring to their customers. So here are the problem statement. If you can see in the picture, these are the report of ISIC marketing strategy, but the result is not showing a satisfactory result. This lead to conversion rate to ISIC service also not showing a satisfactory result. This problem is a question in the company itself, whether ISIC really has a good value that its customer needs or not. Thus, the objective of this research are to find out and understand the value that customers expect from digital product or service, particularly in human resource industry, and to generate value strategy in order to perform an effective marketing strategy for ISIC. To achieve these objectives, several research questions has been developed, which are: what are the values that customers expect from digital service product in the human resource industry, and what will be the suitable marketing strategy for ISIC? The research itself will focus on ISIC target market, which are an active university student and fresh graduate, both located in Greater Jakarta and West Java area in Indonesia. So, these are the conceptual framework of my research. The conceptual framework is adapted from theory from Saunila and Ranchala about the characteristic of digital service that affect customer value and combine it with digital marketing concept from Kotler and Kertajaya. And the three variables on the top, which are the characteristic of product, the characteristic of service process, and the characteristic of relationship between company and customers, are the variables of desired customer value. And based on the digital marketing concept, there is a new marketing mix that must be considered, which is people. The people marketing strategy is considered based on the desired customer value that is customer desired itself. So, this research used qualitative method with semi-structured interview, with 14 participants consists of IC customer and non-IC customer. This number coming from purposive sampling method, which adopted from Crash-Wall theory, and the data being processed with manual coding also validated using the triangulation. So here are the participant profile of the research interview participant, which are an active university student in bachelor degree of or fresh graduate, located in Greater Jakarta and Bandung area, eager to join internship or find a job, and also using social media as the main platform to search for information. So let's move to the findings. So here are the several findings that the author collect from empirical data. There are 4 dimensions in the desired customer value. The first dimension, which is motivation. Motivation is considered as a variable that can influence desired customer value for a digital product or service. This statement also supported by prior study from Dong Xiaozhou, which state customer motivation has a substantial effect on the path to achieving customer value. There are there are three aspects that encourage people to use a digital service or product, which are individual eager, external penetration, also electronic word of mouth. The second dimension in the product or service itself. There are several aspects that must be fulfilled, which are the safety aspect must give insurance of the information and offering. Also, there has to be reviews from people and the community. The technical function aspect must be easy to understand and seamless. These are to give a less and effort time for the customers. The offering aspect has to ensure the functional for customers, also give eye-catching and relevant information to influence people to use the product. In the service process dimension, there are three aspects that must be fulfilled, which are people need assistance, which are classification and recommendation that are being personalized to help get relevant information and offer. And there must be clarity and certainty to customer activity inside the platform. Also, the assistance needs by the customer has to be a human-centric. And the last dimension is a dimension of relationship between company and the customers. The experience customer wants to purchase is an easiness to access relevant offering for their ability, criteria, and the actual condition, and improve their chance to achieve their goals and expectation. The brand image still considered, but make sure the customers can perceive the functional aspect as well. Customers can control when to make a relationship between the digital product and can stop it. Customers also want there is no noise information and annoying notification. And there are community to do networking and learn. So these are the conclusion and business implication for this research. Okay, the conclusion of my research is that there are several value that customer decide to use several digital product or service, which are the values including safety, technical function, offering, assistance, fulfillment of promise, perceived experience, brand image, privacy and control, also the community. The motivation variable can be considered by a provider or a company of digital product or service to offer relevant value to their customers. Thus, in order to making strategy and planning, particularly in marketing, company or provider need to make sure the value they offer cover all of these aspects and the motivation of the customers also. So based on the finding that customer research found and considering the value that customer desire to be in the digital product, there are three recommendations for business implication for ISIC. The first one is community-based program. This program will have a personalized incubation program for a certain criteria of people, learning and training session for the participant, provide expert in a certain field, giving chance to expert in the network, either with fellow participant, expert, or even the organizer. And finally, giving the opportunity to find a job in the end of the program. And through this program also, IC can increase their electronic word of mouth on social media. The second one is a strategic partnership with university. Here, IC can be a mandatory platform for students, giving service with internship appraisal and supervision, and build community which lead to IC brand through the university. The last one is personal career consultant. Since personalization and purchase experience become two of the most valuable aspects of digital product, I suggest to create personal career consultant to IC target market. In this program, people can be directed their career path by the expert. They can also networking with the expert, and through this program also, people can perceive clarity and certainty of their career path. So this all for my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I open for any feedback and suggestion. Thank you.